Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to make game pass. First of all, you have to go to roblox.com on mobile or PC. So it will take you to this home page. Now, if you want to create a game pass, you just need to click on this create a pass button, and it will take you to this creator tab. So if you're using a mobile, you have to enable the desktop version. Then you can reach this creator tab. So if you want to create a game pass, you just need to click on this. And now you have to basically go to the menu here on the left. If you're using a mobile, you have to click on or tap on the menu button to see this list. Just click on it and the process will be listed here. You just need to click on this pass, create a pass button to make a game pass. You just need to enter the name of the game pass here. So I'm going to enter like Roblox game pass. Now you can upload the image if you want, but it is now optional after a new update. So now guys, you can enter the description, but it is not also mandatory. You can leave it empty. And now you have to click on create pass. Your game pass will be created. And now it's time to configure it. You just need to click on it and click on this sales option. Now you just need to enable this item for the sale and enter the price here. So I'm going to put 100 robux. So you will get 70% out of it. So just need to click on save changes. Now your game pass has been created. You just need to list your game pass in the please donate, and you will be on lots of money by using this trick. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching.